Hi everyone! Today we're going to be drawing Labubu, so let's get started. We're going to use this brown pencil. I like the chunky pencils and I'm going to link it in the description box if you want the same one. So for Labubu, we're going to get started with the eyes first. We've got one eye like this and another eye like this. Then you're going to draw a highlight, a small little circle inside, another little circle inside, and color in the black part. Be careful not to color inside of the smaller circle. That's your highlight for the eye. Great. Then we're going to draw a line like this and a line like this. Got it? And you're gonna draw a circle all the way around. Okay. And a circle all the way around. Perfect. Then we're gonna draw the eyelashes, 3 little lines. 1, 2, 3. Boop. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. And Labubu has a little heart nose. So draw a tiny heart right here. Okay, then for Labubu's smile, it actually goes all the way around. So it starts right here and it goes into a flat line and then it goes all the way around. Yeah, just like that. And then you're gonna draw the weird little spiky teeth that Labubu has. So funny, these teeth. Just go little spikes like that. It's pretty fun. All around. I think his face is just so funny. Okay. Then we're gonna draw top of the head, straight line like that. Bottom of the head, straight line like that. And then we're gonna connect these 2 lines with a sort of sideways rainbow. Do you see that? You can even turn your page if it's easier for you to draw a sideways rainbow if you turn your page. I'm just gonna do it like that, connect it like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and draw the fluffy part around. So this is like a little fluffy, like that. And we're gonna go all the way around doing this fluffy head. Just like that, all around. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Fluffy head. Okay. And we're gonna draw the little ears right here. Fluffy ears. Hi guys, this is Editing Anna back here to say that I messed up one of the ears. I ran out of space, so as you will see, one of the ears is going to be smaller than the other one. And this ear is going to go all the way like that. And a little fluffy ear all the way like that. Very cute, very cute. And we're going to go ahead and start doing the bow. So the bow is a straight little line right here and 2 lines down and make a little square there. Then you're going to draw a line on the diagonal up and a line on the diagonal up this way. Then you're going to draw a line going down and curving, and on the other side straight like that. And then make the this line meet the square. And same little ditty on the other side, make this line meet right there. Perfect. Then from here, we're gonna draw a curvy line, rainbow line, going like that. And another one right under it, curvy rainbow, half rainbow, going like that. And make those meet together. Perfect. Then you're gonna draw a straight line this way and a straight line this way and connect the two lines. Okay, there we have the bow. Now we gotta draw the little belly. So let's go ahead and draw the belly like this. Up and up, like a big smiley face. You see that? Then we're gonna draw the arms. Diagonal like that. Same diagonal on the other side. And diagonal line going this way. And diagonal line going this way. And then a line going like that for the arm. There. Then we're gonna continue with the belly. There's a line going like that, and a line going like that. And all that's left to do is the legs. So these legs are gonna be pretty short because I'm running out of space here. But one line is going this way, and one line is going this way. And then a line going straight and a line going straight. And we're almost done here. Just need to do a line that is going all the way up to the arm. And same little ditty on this side, line going all the way up like that. Oh my gosh, so cute. Let's just finish off by drawing a line right here and right here for the feet and the little toes like that. And maybe the little hands too. So 2 little lines like that and 2 little lines like that here. And then just make little kind of squiggly lines for the hands. Yeah. And that's it. That's how you draw a Labubu bunny. And I think he turned out very cute and fluffy. Can even add a little bit of a thing right here for the ear. And right here for the ear too. Well, I hope that you enjoyed doing this drawing of Labubu with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know what you want to draw next in the comments.